कायद मजलिस अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने अक़लियतों की स्कीमों पर अमलावरी के लिए अक़लियती बहबूद के अलावा दीगर महकमे जात के अमले में इजाफे का मुतालबा किया है। असम्बली में मुबाहिस में हिस्सा लेते हुए अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने अक़लियती तलबा की स्कॉलरशिप की रुक़ूमात के अदम इजराई पर तरजीह दिलाई और उन्होंने बताया कि 2019 से अक़लियती तलबा के अलावा BC और दीगर तलबा की स्कॉलरशिप की रकम भी अदा नहीं की गई। अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने अक़लियती बहबूद के अलावा BC बहबूद और कॉरपोरेशन की कारकर्दगी पर भी सवाल उठाए। अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने कहा कि 10 साल से बैकवर्ड क्लास के साथ नाइंसाफ़ी की जा रही है। BC के वोट तो लिए गए, इक़्तिदार भी हासिल हुआ, लेकिन उनके साथ इंसाफ नहीं हुआ। अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने कहा कि सिर्फ वोट न लिए जाएं बल्कि उनके साथ इंसाफ किया जाए। अकबर ओवैसी ने कहा कि अक़लियतों के साथ भी ऐसी ही नाइंसाफ़ी हो रही है। उन्होंने मुख्तलिफ कॉरपोरेशंस का हवाला दिया और कहा कि इन कॉरपोरेशंस को फंड्स जारी नहीं किए गए। अक़लियती बहबूद में अमले की कमी पर कायद मजलिस ने तशवीश का इजहार किया। ओवरसीज़ स्कॉलरशिप को फौरी जारी करने का भी उन्होंने मुतालबा किया।
So the thing is that, sir, where are we heading? Where are we going, sir? Sir, if we turn the next page also, economic support system. Economic support system. This is the real, true picture, sir. And it is very sad. It is very sad when I see these figures. Okay, nobody is seeing these figures. Nobody is talking about these figures, sir. Sir, economic support system, sir, number of families for the year 23-24, the physical target. Honorable panel speaker, sir, you should also listen to this, sir. It's very important. The physical target was 22,000, sir. And the achievement out of 22,000 is only 2,849, which is only 13%. Isn't it sad? Only 13%, sir. Sir, for the year 24-25, the physical target, economic support system, 21,428. Sir, achievement, now you see, sir, what answer does the Congress government has for this, sir? The achievement, the target was 21,428 and the achievement is only 950, which is only 4%. Isn't it sad? Only 4%. And these are not my numbers, sir. These are the demands tabled in this house. Sir, when we go to skill training for STs, sir, here I would say, sir, number of beneficiaries 8,000, achievement 5,000, sir. Very good. For the year 23-24, the achievement was 71%. But again, sir, when we see for 24-25, they have gone beyond the target, sir. So if we see, sir, in so many things, sir, promotion of inter-caste marriage, number of beneficiaries 200, sir, achievement is 0, again 1%. So I am just reading out from the book, sir, and the figures which have been given, sir. So now if we have to see, sir, the financial review also, the amount spent also, it is far less, sir. Now coming to backward classes, sir. Coming to backward classes, the BC include among the minorities more than 56% of the state population as the caste survey, but the budgetary allocation for them is rupees 11,405 crores in the year 2025 and 2026 budget, sir. To see the performance of BC Welfare Department scheme, please see the outcome budget 2025-2026 booklet of BC Welfare Department, page number 12 to 41, and also please see the page 51 for review of performance of autonomous bodies, sir. Sir, in a way, this is gross injustice to them, even as 22 corporations, sir. Sir, if I start reading that, sir, again I'm sure, sir, it will be a very big embarrassment for the government, sir. When I have said about the page numbers, sir, from page number 12 to again all the pages, sir, the expenditure of BCs is 0, 0, 0, sir. I have always been telling this, sir. In the last speech also I had mentioned that there are so many BC corporations. Sir, what is the allocation? What is the expenditure? What has been the achievement? What has been spent on BCs, sir? So many corporations, the amount has not been released, sir, and it is 0, 0, 0 everywhere, sir. If we have to see the details, sir, again, if I have to see for MTF, sir, for backward classes, my learned friend from Bharatiya Janata Party was mentioning about the release of the scholarship amount. Yes, sir, I support him. And I say that whatever he has mentioned is right. We need to release the scholarships of the BC student, the SC, STs, minorities.